Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Imagine waking up to find your $100 investment has turned into $10,000 overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for some early Trump coin investors, this dream became a reality. Today, we're diving into the wild world of Trump coin, the cryptocurrency that's got everyone from Wall Street suits to your next door neighbor talking. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover how this digital Trump card is reshaping the crypto game in ways you never saw coming. All right, let's break this down into three key points we'll explore today. The meteoric rise of Trump coin, how it's impacting the broader crypto market, what this means for you as an investor. First up, Trump coin's explosive growth. Just last week, this digital asset skyrocketed by 500% in a mere 24 hours a one. That's like turning your morning coffee money into a week's salary overnight. But why the sudden surge? Well, it all started when former President Trump hinted at using cryptocurrency for his 2025 campaign fundraising. Suddenly, Trump coin wasn't just another meme coin, it became a potential political powerhouse too. Now, on to our second point, the market impact. Trump coin's success is sending shockwaves through the crypto world. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're looking over their shoulders. We're seeing a shift in investor behavior, with many jumping ship from traditional cryptos to ride the Trump coin wave. But here's where it gets really interesting, and this is our third key point. What does this mean for you? Well, it's not just about potential gains. The Trump coin phenomenon is changing how we think about cryptocurrency's role in politics and campaign finance. Imagine a world where political support translates directly into digital assets. It's not just about donating dollars anymore. It's about investing in a candidate's digital ecosystem. This could revolutionize how campaigns are funded and how supporters engage with their chosen candidates. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the potential is exciting, it's crucial to remember the volatility of the crypto market. Trump coin's value has been on a roller coaster ride with dramatic ups and downs that would make even the most seasoned trader dizzy. So, what's the bottom line? Trump coin is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a glimpse into a future where politics and digital finance are increasingly intertwined. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a blockchain veteran, this is a trend you can't afford to ignore. Now let's dive deeper into the Trump coin phenomenon and its broader implications. The rise of Trump coin isn't happening in a vacuum. It's part of a larger trend we're seeing in the crypto space, the emergence of personality-driven tokens. Just like how meme stocks shook up Wall Street, these coins are disrupting the crypto status quo. But Trump coin takes this to a whole new level. It's not just about internet culture or celebrity status, it's tapping into political fervor. This blend of politics and cryptocurrency is unprecedented, and it's forcing regulators to sit up and take notice. The SEC is already scrutinizing Trump coin, trying to determine if it qualifies as a security. This could have far-reaching consequences, not just for Trump coin, but for the entire crypto market. We might be on the cusp of a new era of crypto regulation. On the technology front, Trump coin is pushing boundaries too. The team behind it claims to be developing a unique blockchain that could revolutionize campaign donations. Imagine a system where every contribution is transparent, traceable, and tamper-proof. It's a level of accountability that could transform campaign finance as we know it too. But it's not all smooth sailing. Critics argue that Trump coin could exacerbate political polarization, turning financial investments into political statements. There are also concerns about market manipulation and the potential for misinformation to drive price swings. Despite these challenges, the impact of Trump coin is undeniable. It sparked a wave of political cryptocurrencies, with tokens named after other political figures popping up left and right. This could lead to a fragmented crypto landscape, where your political leanings determine your investment choices. For investors, this new paradigm presents both opportunities and risks. The potential for high returns is tempting, but the volatility is extreme. It's a high-stakes game where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. As we wrap up, let's recap our key points. Trump coin's meteoric rise is reshaping the crypto landscape. It's blurring the lines between politics, finance, and technology. While the potential is exciting, the risks are significant. Whether Trump coin is a flash in the pan or the future of political fundraising remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure. It's a fascinating case study in the power of combining cryptocurrency with political brand power. So, what do you think? Is Trump coin the next big thing in crypto, or is it a risky bet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge crypto insights. Until next time, this is Barak, signing off.